Dear students, we have to see algebra of statements. First, we are going to say idempotent laws. P or P equal to P, P and P also equal to P. Using truth table, we can prove this. P, true, false. P or P, T or T, that is T. F or F, that is F. P and P, T and T, T, F and T, also T. So TF, TF both equal to P. Therefore, from the table P or P equal to, logically equal to P, P and P logically equal to P. Commutative laws. P or Q logically equal to Q or P. P and Q logically equal to Q and P. You take P, Q, P or Q, Q or P, P and Q, Q and P, T, 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 F, F, T, F, F, P or Q, that is T, 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 F, T, Q or P, T, 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 F, P and Q, T, F, 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 Q and P, T, F, F, F. So regarding R, both F only F, always T. The same applied here. Regarding and, if both statements are true, the answer is true. Always false. Okay. Therefore, from the table P or Q. This column is identical. So P or Q equal to Q or P, and observe here P and Q logically equal to Q and P. Associative laws. P or Q or R equal to P or Q or R. P and Q and R equal to P and Q and R. We got three statements. Take P, Q, R. P or Q, Q or R. P or Q or R. P or Q or R. T, 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 or T. T, T, F. T, F, T. T, F, F. F, T, T. F, T, F. F, F, T. F, F, F. P or Q, both false only will give false, otherwise true. T, 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 T. Here also T, T, F, F. Q or R, T, 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 F, T, 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 F. P or Q, this third one, and R, you combine these two. Come back to T, answer T. 1T exists, answer T. TT, answer T. TF, also T. TT, T. TF, T. FT, T. FF, that is F. Next we consider Q, R and P. This column, first column and third column, fourth column. T, T. Answer is T. First column T, T. This also T. T, T, T. T, F, also T. F, T, T. F, T, T. Also T. F, F, answer F. From the last two columns, PRQ R equal to PR QR R. Similarly, we can prove associative form is a disjunction, conjunction we can prove. Take P and Q, Q and R, P and Q and R, P and Q and R. If you consider P and Q, TT, T, TT, T, TF, F, 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 F. So we have TT here. In these two places only we will get T, always F. If you consider Q and R, TT, T, TF, F, FT, F, here F, T, F, F, F. P and Q and R. You consider these two table columns. Here T, T, answer is T. TF, F, F, FF, F, FT, F, FF, F, FT, F, F. If you consider first column and this column, column 1 and 5, T, T, answer is T. T, F, F, T, F, F, T, F, F, FT, F, F of F, F of F of. So F, F, F. If you observe these two columns, from the last two columns, P and Q and are logically equivalent to P and Q1R. Next, distributive laws. P and Q are R. Just you write this. P and Q are P and R. This is distributive. Another one is P R Q and R equal to P R Q and P R R. These are distributive laws. Similarly, we can prove using truth table. So P Q R you need Q R R Q R R P and Q P and R P and Q R R P and Q R P and R. T T T T T F T F T T F F F T T, F T F, F F T, F F F. Q R R. R means both false only will give you false, otherwise true. So here true, 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 false, true, 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 false. P and Q, T T, T, T T, T. Here false, 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 false. P and R, T T, T, false, T, false, 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 false. P and QRR, first column and fourth column look after. TT, T, TT, T, TT, T, TF, F, FT, FT, FT. On all cases you have F. Next you consider P and Q and P and R. We apply R. 2T, T, TF also T, FT also T, 2F, F, 2F, 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 2F. All cases you have from the last two columns. P and Q R equal to P and Q R P and R. This is one distributed law. So next we are going to prove PR Q and R. That means PRQ and PR. So we need Q and R. Q and R we need. PRQ we need. PRQ. P or R. So Q and R. TT, T, TF, F, 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 T, F, F. If you consider R, both true means true, R is false. P or Q, both false, only false. Here false. Answer false. Both false. Answer is false. One T exists. Answer T. 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 All cases T. Next, observe first column and third column. P and R. If both false, the answer will be false. Always true. T. 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 TF. T. 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 Here. F, T, F. Next, P, first statement. Q and R, first statement and this Q and R. Here we apply R. T, T, answer will be T. TF, 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 all cases you have T. FT, T. Here we have F. FT, T. FF we have F. Next, observe these two columns PRQ, PRR. But we apply conjunction and. So TT, T. TT, T. Again TTT, TT, T, TT, T, TF, F, FT, F, FF, F. So for the last two columns you can observe P, R, Q and R. Logically equal to P or Q and P or R. Next, De Morgan's laws. Negation of P and Q. Logic equal to negation P or negation Q. Negation of P or Q. If you apply negation, you have to apply negation separately as well, and will become R. Here negation P, R will become and. We can prove this. Negation of P and Q equal to negation P or negation Q. So P, Q, negation P, negation Q, P and Q, negation of P and Q, negation of P or negation of Q. Here T, 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 F, F, T, F, F. So negation P, that is F, F, T, T. Negation Q, F, T, F, T. So P and Q, T always false. Negation of P and Q, F, here we have T. Negation P or negation Q, you consider these two, F of F, FT, T, TF, T, TT, T. Applying, when you are applying or both false only, answer will be false, always true. From the last two columns, negation of P and Q identically logically equals to negation P or negation Q. Next, you are going to prove negation of P or Q logically equal to negation P and negation Q. You apply P or Q. Here T, 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 F. Negation of P or Q. If you apply negation F, 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 that is T. Negation P and negation Q. FF, answer will be F. FT, F. TF, also F. Both T, then the answer will be T. So the last two columns, negation of P or Q logically equal to negation P and negation Q. So these laws will be remembered while solving sums. Contrapost laws. P implies Q logically equal to negation Q implies negation P. P Q negation P negation Q, P implies Q, negation Q implies negation P. T T T F F T F F negation P F F T T F T F T. P implies Q. T T answer T. TF answer. First statement is true, second statement false, answer is false. Otherwise, in all other cases, answer will be T. Next, from negation Q to negation P. First true and false, answer will be false. Otherwise, answer will be T. From the last two columns, we observe P implies Q logically equal to negation Q and negation Q implies negation B. This is contrapositive. Invalidation laws. negation of negation P equal to P. Identity loss. If T and C denote tautology and contradiction, respectively, then for any statement P, we have P and tautology equal to P, P or contradiction P. P or tautology T, P and contradiction C. Complement loss. P or negation P. So tautology P and negation P, that is contradiction. Negation of tautology, that is contradiction. Negation of contradiction, that is tautology. Now we are going to see some previous year JEE questions. The Boolean expression P in Boolean algebra it is addition symbol, and this is dot symbol. Addition is dot is equal to P or Q is equal to P and Q. P and Q. Where belongs to and an or. Then the ordered pair is option A RR, option B or and or. In this step, in place of this you apply and, in place of this you apply or. Obviously, we can say and or. We can check it out by truth table. P, Q, P and Q P or Q P, Q, negation P, negation Q, P and Q, P or Q, negation P and Q, negation P or Q P and Q are negation P or Q. P and Q and so T TF FT FF negation P F T T negation Q F T F T P R Q T T T F P and Q T F T T sorry F F negation P or Q. His negation P or Q. TF T F T T. Next we take negation P and Q. TF F F T F P and Q, this column, negation P or Q, this column. You consider these two columns, apply and TT T F F F F. So, you consider this column and this column. P and Q logically equal to P and Q and negation P or Q. You compare the given statement. Under negation P, equal to P and Q. This is the given statement. So we have to check it out. In place of this sign we take and, in place of this one we take or. It's a trial and error. But we get, if we apply like this, we get the statement P and Q. If we don't get it, we can do in place of this or and this place of this and. We can try and find out which one is suitable. So in this case, and or is and or. Option D is correct. So by trial and error method, we can find it out. So using truth table, we can do that. So let us see more previous questions next session. Thank you.